everybody. So, in addition to not being a vlogger, I'm also not a cook, but I'm trying to be both. So, I'm gonna be making a baked oatmeal thing, and I thought I would take y'all along. And my trusty sidekick's gonna be along for the ride and help me out. So, first, in a large mixing bowl, you take 2 1/4 cups of oatmeal. I'm using instant. It says to use like old-fashioned whatever, but I'm using instant because that's what I have. You take a teaspoon of baking powder and you add it into the oatmeal. And cinnamon and salt. That's 1/2 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon.
Oh, she sprays behind her back. You will never know what she's really spraying in there.
Vlogging and cooking are stressful for me. I need another mixing bowl. Jess also, she ordered me Starbucks coffee this morning, and I haven't had Starbucks coffee in a really long time, and I also had coffee at home this morning, so I'm an anxious mess. 1 cup ripe mashed bananas, about 2 large bananas or 3 medium bananas. So we have 4. Really gross frozen bananas. Okay. Well, here we go.
You're gonna want to let those bananas be in the freezer for about 8 months before you use them.
If you're us. Ew.
Ew. Oh no.
They look like a slug. Okay.
Oh no.
I'm gonna use this, then I'll use that. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Stop looking at it.
Okay.
It smells like banana bread, so great.
Come here often? No, because you're not allowed. You see, we're at stay-at-home orders here in Chicago, and so are you probably wherever you are.
I'm going to be using coconut milk because some of us have a nut allergy.
Yeah, and a milk allergy.
And a milk allergy. 1/4 cups. 3 of them. Oh, it's like almost there. Looks like I gotta open the new one.
What are the chances of that?
Oh my gosh.
The oven's preheated.
Beautiful, beautiful. And how much honey do we need?
I don't know. As much as you need from me. Just a whole 1/4 cup.
Just a whole 1/4 cup. Everything's gonna be sticking up. 1 large egg. Sous chef?
My name's Jess. Excellent. Is this exactly what you wanted?
It is. Honey's sticky. I'm putting a dash more honey into this because it didn't all make it out of the cup. And we just love honey, right? Okay, great. So we've got the banana, we've got the milk, we've got the honey, we've got the egg, we need the vanilla. We need 1 teaspoon of it.
We like to recycle.
Woo. Okay. Probably should have mashed the banana a little bit more before I did this. Oh well.
You know, sometimes I feel judged by comments about how I act on camera. I'm not just a piece of comedy. I'm a whole person with feelings.
So now you're gonna add the dries to the wets Delicious. Stir it until it's well combined.
Yeah? Alright. Yay, you. Good job, bub.